Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Verizon Call Filter for anti-spam privacy. Open your device and unlock your screen. Navigate to the app drawer. Locate and tap on the Verizon app. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, log into your Verizon account using your credentials. In the main menu, look for the Account or My Plan section. Scroll down until you find the Add-ons or Features option. Tap on Call Filter to view details about the service. Read through the information and benefits of Verizon Call Filter. Review the pricing and any terms associated with the service. If you agree, confirm your subscription. You may be asked to review your payment method. Enter or confirm your payment information if needed. After confirming your payment, you'll receive a confirmation message. Return to the main menu of the app. Tap on Call Filter to access the settings. Adjust your preferences for spam filtering and notifications as desired. To finalize, exit the app and return to your home screen. Your Verizon Call Filter is now active and protecting your privacy from spam calls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.